Herbao Machinery is your trusted expert in high-precision rotary positioning tables. We produce 4-axis NC rotary tables for various CNC machining centers and 5-axis NC rotary tables for precision machining needs. Our high-point gear digital control rotary positioning tables are ideal for lathes, while the submerged digital control rotary positioning tables are perfectly suited for EDM, wire cutting, and other applications. Additionally, our light-duty 2-dimensional digital control rotary positioning tables are designed for micro-hole EDM and 3D printing. With expertise in R&D, assembly, staff training, testing, and marketing, Herbao Machinery ensures unmatched quality and reliability. Contact us through the details below. We look forward to collaborating with you.